Yeah.
12 seconds later.
Oh. Hello guys, I received my order from Russia again, and before I open my box I have to dance because there's a promise, so I dance. So this is what I ordered from Maymarket this time, and there is a Lisma black tea, cocktail, proteins, blueberry, blues, and Altai and Altai Tea. The price in Maymarket is really cheap. So the one tea is like $1.50, and even the price in Russia also like just around $1. Even including the shipping price is not really big deal. So I could order a lot of tea at once, and if I order more than $59, then they provide free shipping. So Maymarket is very trustable seller because the May Foods is very big company in Russia, as I told you before, and they are doing grocery and tea and wellness, everything in Russia. So this is one of their business, like online selling. They have tea.law for domestic selling, but they are trying to expand their business to outsider than Russia as well. So they are providing free shipping for abroad companies. So they are doing Maymarket for abroad users. So if you are Russian tea lover as like me, then I really highly recommend to use Maymarket.com. I'm not sponsored. Okay, and then let's open this box. So let's open it up. Da-da. Da-da. Okay, let's check. So I ordered 5 packs of Tess lime this time. I really love Tess lime so much. As pleasure, so it also one of their best sellers. So 5 packs again. Curtis very berry. So it's black tea in pyramid tea bags, buried inside of this tea bag. Summer berries. It looks like almost same, but they have little differences. I want to compare both berry teas. Hugo cocktail. So it's similar with mojito, but it has something more flowery flavor in this tea. Altai. So this tea is from Azerbaijan. Around Altai and Azerbaijan, there are a lot of tea gardens, so it's a well-known tea plantation of this world as well. It's a little different with Japanese or Chinese, Korean green tea. Blueberries blues. So in this tea, there are blueberry, currant, and blackberry, such like dark berries inside of this tea. Fresh mojito, it has difference between Hugo cocktail. Hugo cocktail has flowers inside of tea, but this fresh mojito doesn't have it. It's much more focused on mint and lime itself. Sprit mate. So it's a mate-based tea. We really cannot find mate mixed tea in Asia or Russia maybe. So I'd love to try this mate-based tea, so that's why I ordered this time. Konigin Herbarium Tea, Harmony of Nature. Inside of this box, there are 6 kind of herbal teas from Russia inside of here, so you really can find a lot of herbal taste of Russia from this package. Imperial tea profession package with wild cherry taste is pretty. Richard Royal Love, they mix it more flavors in Richard tea. Lovely tea is very smooth flavor and easy to drink. It's very nice combination. So this is tea Altai and Talisman of Health. So this is herbal tea. So I never tried this brand, so I want to try this time. So that's why I ordered. This is the most I waited this time. Krasnodarskiy is well known for nature and pureness and herbal herbs. So they make this Krasnodarskiy tea. And when people going to Krasnodarskiy, they always buy this tea as a gift. So I tried one time and it really has a great taste, so I couldn't forget it. So that's why I ordered this time, and I really love this tea. And all of these teas are all organic, so yeah, good for your health as well. Greenfield Premium Tea Collection. In this box, there are 30 variety of Greenfield. Is I think almost of their all kind of teas. So yeah, if you got this one package, then you really can try all of their teas. So there's 120 tea bags in this package. Tea Abigail of Cool Sharif Mosque. There are black tea package, so after drink all your tea, then you can use this cup as your daily life cups. It's kind of Russian business. I like it. And this is the last tea. The Maymarket says Lisma brewer, and the actual name is Krasnodarskiy Indian flavor tea, like this. So yes, so this is the last tea. So I just finished my unboxing. So yeah, this was the second time of unboxing, and if you just enjoyed watching unboxing my box, then please like and subscribe channel, please. Thanks for watching today also, and I hope see you again soon. Bye.